Hey everyone, wanted to show you this O-ring, and this is a Hayward Chlorinator, but I wanted to show you how bad they get after a while. If you look at that, I'm going to have to dig that out. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and please also hit that like button so people can find this video. This chlorinator is not going to hold water. This is a new customer of mine, and I noticed there was a leak. So what we have here is we have the CLX 110K. Here it is right here. This is what they're supposed to look like. So if yours is looking like that, or even not fully like this, you're going to want to replace it. Okay, so this is what they need to look like. Here's the part number. There'll be a link in the description to where you can pick this part up in case you happen to have this exact chlorinator, and the top of the lid's going to look like that. So that's what you're looking for. All right, well, I'll see you in my next videos, and thanks for watching.